Lesson 4.3 is on pages 97 through 102. Our new skill for this lesson is removing duplicate records. You will go to Schoology and download the 4.3 source document. And then you will save it as 4.3 smartphone. Step 4A, bold cell A1 and change the font size to 18. Step 4B, bold cell A2 and change the font size to 16. Step 4C, merge and center cell A1 across columns A through C. Step 4D, merge and center cell A2 across columns A through C. Step 4E, bold row 4 and change the font size to 14. Step 4F, center column B. Step 4G, resize column widths to fit cell contents. Step 4H, apply a thick bottom border to cells A4 through C4. Step 5, from the Data tab, under the Data Tools group, you will select cell A4 and then click Remove Duplicates. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, make sure My Data Has Headers is checked and all 3 entries under columns are checked, and then click OK. Step 6, from the Data tab, Sort and Filter. Select cell A4 and then click Sort. In the sort box, make sure that you check My Data Has Headers. From the column Sort by drop-down menu, select Number of Unique Users. From the Sort On, select Cell Values. From the Order drop-down menu, select Largest to Smallest, then click OK. Step 7, from the Data and Sort Filter group, select cell A4 and click Sort. From the column Sort by drop-down menu, in the Sort dialog box, select Location of Majority of Users. From the Order drop-down menu, select A to Z, and then click Add Level. From there, the column, then by drop-down menu, select Number of Unique Users. From the Sort On drop-down menu, select Cell Values. And from the Order drop-down menu, select Largest to Smallest and click OK. You can save your document and submit on Schoology.